Oh, look, another gray rainy day.
Look at that.
What is this? Ooh. Noah stopped at the boulangerie. What is this?
€3. €3? You can't, the berries cost more than €3.
All right, let's get a little snack here.
I don't know how they can't even afford to make that. The lady said, we're only making this today. Very special, very special. 2 for 1. I said, throw them in. Jenny saw me coming out with 2 boxes. She said, what are you doing? You went in for a slice of pizza, you came out with 2 pies?
Okay, let's eat up.
Yeah, I had the other pie.
Oh, let's see the other one.
This one's even more beautiful. Peach. It's a peach pie.
Yeah, but it's not in season. It's very, it's not like the French to have,
Oh, that looks good.
I might have to dig into that right. I'm going to take some. We don't have a fork, but I'm going to eat that right now.
€6 for 2 of these. Insane. She just said we should record. I want people to see that I'm doing work at my house. Right there. Beautiful. There you go.
It's starting to rain again.
We'll see if this works out. See what you can do.
This really isn't my forte. My forte is being in the kitchen.
That's it for your work?
It's a good 10 minutes.
I have to get this just right because we don't want to see any gaps. Very nice. Could be a little bit tighter there. All right, well, I was able to convince Jenny to buy my favorite chair in the world. We'll figure out a place maybe for my desk in my room or for the sitting area. But yeah, we got the chair here. And I talked the guy down to a great price of $150. So we'll go see if it's here to pick up. Well, I got it. Oh man, this thing is a beauty.
He loves this chair.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Love it.
How much did this treasure chest cost you?
$150. It was $300, so we got a half price.
Got a deal?
50%. Is he sure we're ready for this?
Là, notre âme, ça là. Moi, je vais mettre une baguette de dilatation là. Ça va pas tenir sinon.
We just met with Frank, the plaster guy. We're a little overwhelmed by everything, but we're going to leave right now to take up more work. But we have a delivery.
Let's go outside.
My sink came. This is a stainless steel sink that I ended up getting, but it has a PVD copper coating. because real copper I thought would be just a little too high maintenance for me.
What do you think?
Okay.
You don't love it?
It looks like painted stainless steel, really.
Well, it's a stainless steel thing, dear.
What's this dent in here?
That's how it's designed.
No, I think it's gonna look. I think it's gonna look great. I think it's gonna look very nice.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it.
I think it's gonna look really nice.
Yeah.
Does that thing have like a safety mechanism on it?
No.
Do the more expensive ones have a safety mechanism?
Of course.
Well, then we need to get that.
They're $180. This
Okay,
was 18. I don't need a safety mechanism. There we go. Super. Okay. C'est bon. Now, he's cut this to where it goes all the way across the wall. So, it goes all the way to there.
That could look nice like that.
You want that?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Yeah, that could be good.
I just need to know that for sure.
Yeah, that's fine. I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Now,
It's gonna look so nice. Careful with the stone. That's so fragile, it just might break, you know.
what, honey?
That might break.
Yeah, I might. I gotta take a chance. Gotta do it. Come over here. I'm gonna push this up. You need to get down here. Push it up. You're gonna hold it right there, like that. Okay? Come on. Give me a minute. I'm gonna push it up. Once I get it up, you hold it right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Hold it.
Okay. It's off by a little bit, it's okay.
No, it's not.
Why not?
It's gotta be just right. Okay, that's on.
Okay, so
Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put this up there. I'm gonna bang it with the hammer real quick, make two little marks, put a little drill, and I'll have to hold it one more time.
you don't have to go.
Yep, get on your pace. This is the one time I need you.
Okay, I'm here.
We're trying to hold this bottom
Okay,
to flat with this.
okay.
All the way to the end.
Okay,
Push it right flat. Your thumbs touch the bottom of the wood.
okay.
Underneath here.
Yeah. It's not even, but
I can need it to be in.
that's good. Okay.
Okay, right there, dear. Don't move. Just hold it there. You got it?
Yes.
You sure it's on? Okay, taking it off. Got our marks. Not even. Looks like right there, right?
Yes. Wait.
going up. The beam is going up. Jenny's helping me. Get this
Okay.
bad boy up there. Okay, the exact same spot we had it. Tell me when you're there.
No, okay.
Got it?
Flush, flush, flush. Okay, flush. Flush, flush.
Let me get it now on your side. Step out.
Can you hold this?
You let it go.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's great. Good work.
Bon travail! Come on in here.
Thank you, thank you. One project down. Only like 99 more to
So
go.
many more to go.
Okay. Another dinner party is on the way. I love looking at the lights.
What a great day we had today, huh?
Magical day, eventful day, lots done.
Lots done.
We're going to a beautiful dinner party right now with our friends in our village.
Yeah. A few couples.
Could use some good food
Yeah.
and some good laughs.
All right, let's
and
do
some
it.
good wine.
Yeah.
A
All right,
bientôt.
a bientôt.